In this video, you will learn how we can transfer Excel sheet dataset into SPSS for further analysis. It is very simple. Just in one step, we can transfer our SPSS dataset in this window. You can easily transfer Excel dataset in SPSS format. Here you can see this is SPSS window. Simply you have to go to File, Open, and in Open tab you can see project data, internet data, syntax, but we need to data. So click the tab Data first here. Once you click the tab Data, here you have different options like where is your data set. Like I have the data in documents, and the file which I want to fetch is in Excel format. So from here, file type. This is important step. Here you have to change Excel. So once you change the Excel here, you can see the Excel files which are in document folder appears here. So which file you want to interested to export in SPSS or copy in SPSS dataset. For example, I want to open this dataset. I want to fetch online on-site data, and my dataset are in sheet 2. So from here I have to sheet 2. No need to fill the range column, and here maximum width for starting column, this is auto filled. You simply need to select on which sheet your data is actually. So from here you can select sheet and take the OK. You can see the data set here against variables like respondent, gender, first language, and so on. Our complete file of Excel has been copied here. So now we can increase or decrease the decimals by variable view. So in variable view, you can decrease the decimals by 0 as we don't need any decimal in our data set. So you can decrease the decimals. You can set the scale here like gender. We do the coding for gender, 1 for male. So you can assign the label here at, we choose 2 for female. So at here, click OK. And now you can change this level as we do the coding here. So it becomes the scale. Similarly, you can change the level of your other variables and decrease the decimal from here. So this is the most easiest way to transfer the data from Excel to SPSS window. So by one-click method, we can convert our Excel data into SPSS window, and we can format it, edit it according to our requirement. Like in variable view window, we can write the values name, we can change the scale, we can enter the values, and we can decrease the decimals. Now our data set finally fetch on the SPSS window, and we can do any appropriate analysis by using analyze command here, and like this we can easily convert our entered data in SPSS window. Thank you.